Sige.
Hello everyone. Good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. Again, this is Mr. Nino Humawas Catorza, your licensed real estate broker with PRC license 00154450. Now we are here at Barangay si tawag ni Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. So here in Ubay, Bohol. So this is 5 hectares for sale. So it is along concrete road, guys, no? So before the pricings, wa pa na ko ma-update. I hope nga wala ni mausob 250 pesos. I hope hindi na hindi ko pa na-update yung may-ari, but it's a chance na nandito ako sa Ubay. So binidyohan ko na lang. At itong rice field po, this is along concrete road, guys, no? And along the river. So the good thing here is a rice field, no irrigation, but there is a river. May river po siya, which if no water, you can get a water from the river. So that is the good thing, guys. So owner actually is now in Cebu. They told me that they are going to sell so this property. So may mga concreting na po, guys. Maganda na yung daanan. The road is concrete already, no? So ito po yung river. If in case po wala ng water, you can get a water from the river. See? So nandyan lang ang river, guys. So as we can see, guys, no, rice field, not irrigated, unirrigated or not irrigated rice field located in Barangay Tuburan, Bohol. Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. Sorry, Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. So this is Tuburan, Ubay, Bohol. So along the river and along the concrete road, few minutes drive from airport, National Highway. So malapit lang sa airport at saka highway. So maganda po ito, guys, for investment. pwede pa tayo magbahay dito, no? We can make a house here because it's elevated, and you can convert into a residential or rice field, or it's been already a rice field, or you can make a house over here because it's elevated. Then okay, Ubay is a progressive town with 45 barangays. It has already malls and very progressive airport, soon to have a flying school. Then near to the RHU Ubay Community College. So maganda to nga location, guys. It's really a good investment. For inquiries, just contact me, and please subscribe our YouTube channel. We will process transfer of title. So again, thank you very much, and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Ubay, again, Ubay is a northern part of Bohol province with seaport also and white sand beaches. Brown sand beaches, not white. There's some pod nga duray white in Sanandigan, no. So thank you. Bye. So malapit na tayo sa highway, guys, and airport. This is the school, guys, no, the Ubay Community College. So ito po yung Ubay Community College. So pasok tayo ka na punti. Tahan natin. See. Is the Ubay Community College. So this is the national highway and the airport, guys. See, tahan natin yung airport. Fire department, fire station. Ayan. So sa ngayon wala pang eroplano, guys. Pwede tayo mag jogging dito, mag jogging, practice ng motorcycle, practice ng marami. May mga nag jogging, guys. May maraming nag jogging bata, So, nandyan mga magandang dilag. So, sa ngayon ito po ang kalagayan ng airport natin sa Ubay, Bohol. Kasi may nag-practice ng motorsiklo, guys. Taas dito. Yun na lang tayo punta doon. Ang taas ng runway. So you can see the fire department, guys, and may nabalitaan pa rin tayo na may malaking fire department, whole Philippines, dito raw sa Ubay itatayo. So chika-chika lang tayo, ha. Hi. Okay. So, may mga bago tayong subscriber. Okay. Bye. Adto na ko. So this is Barangay Kamambugan, Ubay, Bohol, guys. yung property natin belongs to Barangay Tuburan or boundary of Barangay Tuburan and Kamambugan. So the fire department of Ubay, the Ubay Community College and the RHU Rural Health Unit. So malapit na yun ang tapos guys. So okay. At may property tayo binibinta, the 5,900 plus ideal for boarding house. Again, thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Ay, may nalimutan ako. Nandito pala ang jail district natin, district jail sa Ubay. Okay. See? So Ubay Bohol District Jail. Nandito po tayo, no? Okay. So very welcome to Trinidad. Galing tayo sa Ubay. Now we are welcome to the municipality of Trinidad.